Now for some behind the scenes footage of what it takes to make one look like this. I'm not going to show everything I do on film, but for the most part you'll see the excitement of color case hardening. So now at this portion we're going to anneal the parts to be refinished as color case hardening. So we've got our hammer, loading gate, and our frame. We're going to put these on at 1,000 degrees for 1 hour, and we'll do something else while it's doing its thing. So now we have completed the annealing process. At this point, it is to remain uninterrupted and it will slowly cool down. This will take several hours. We held it at 1,000 degrees for 1 hour, so tomorrow when we come back, we'll be able to work with it. So here we are the next morning. As you can see, we're at average temperature for Georgia, room temperature this time of year. So now that everything's cooled down, we'll take a look. So now that these parts are annealed, they have a carbon scale. So we're going to use a mild abrasive blast in the blast. Here's another Colt single action Army that came in for restoration. This one is in 45 Colt. Seen a lot of use in some hard times. We're going to restore this gun completely overall. So here's a Colt single action and 45 long Colt, and here's a Colt single action and 357 Magnum. I'm sure most of you saw the YouTube short videos. However, I did take a little bit of time to, I think it was this 357, I took time to do a little bit more filming on it. I don't have time to film everything I do. And yes, almost every gun I work on is very interesting, historical, unusual. There's always some catch to it. There's a reason I wind up working on it. But I don't have time to film them all. So, anyway, be glad I film what I do. I should have started this channel several years ago. The main reason I started my YouTube channel was because the gun industry did not like my improved ejectors for the AR-15 and AR-10. If they sold my one part that solved a lot of issues, they wouldn't be able to sell all the other stuff that doesn't work. So anyway, I've decided to film some of my other stuff that I'm well known for, which is restoring Colt single actions, Parker shotguns, Winchester rifles. I do everything from color case hardening, niter blue, rust blue, hot blue, mechanical work. Really like doing hand checkering though if I'm making a piece of wood. We're currently getting ready to quench Colt single action Army. We're color case hardening. And here's the colors we got. Not too bad. Actually come out really good. Now I'll show you some of the behind the scenes footage. We're doing another Colt. We're waiting for our temperature to come down so we can quench the parts. This one come out pretty good also.